hit 'em.
Simulcast that saved it for this huge moment. What just happened? The #1 entry in the women's casino gauntlet. Waistlock there. You can tell the here we go written down there.
Oh, shoulder tackle by Statlander, and now Willow Nightingale. The roll up here, the first pinfall attempt. Nope. Toni Storm now. Pinfall attempt. Statlander rolls. Toni Storm back.
Ooh. And what I think is an interesting advantage here for Toni Storm is that she may not recall the friendship and then rivalry and the breaking apart between Willow and Kris Statlander. Oh, she might not pay that enough attention, or she might pay it a whole lot of attention. It's a wild card in this situation. Who knows what's going on in the mind of Toni Storm?
Shoulder tackle there by Willow Nightingale, dropping Toni Storm down to the mat. There you see the bottom of your screen. The Casino Gauntlet match taking place next week at Maximum Carnage for a shot at the AEW Women's World Championship at Grand Slam Australia, coming up February 15th. AEWTIX.com.
What a spine buster by Willow Nightingale. And the paper, the power, and a great showing it. Your Tokyo Dome debut. Oh, goodness.
That's right, this past Sunday, Willow competing in Japan, now the cover. They're nearly the #1 entry.
I love it here. The ladies trying to end it quick here. Talk about international travel, of course. The winner of that Casino Gauntlet will go on to AEW Grand Slam Australia February 15th. Tickets on sale now when AEW heads down under. Just a little over a month away, boys.
As the side headlock, sending off Willow Nightingale into the ropes. Willow coming back to the shoulder tackle. As Toni Storm sent to the floor. Toni Storm sinks her return after losing that AEW Women's World Championship at All in London. A perfect record, 5-0, looking to keep the streak alive here tonight. But easier said than done against two former TBS champions, Danny Magic.
To the mask. To the floor, Toni Storm now. Well, and forgiveness and atonement sometimes comes with a little sisterly love here. As Willow and Kris Statlander.
Again, as you heard the challenge thrown out, it is official for Collision this Saturday night. Harley Cameron, Mariah May, 1-on-1 plus the Rated R superstar Cope faces Big Bill 1-on-1 this Saturday night at Collision at Dax Harwood. Wow, it's Jericho, the learning tree. This Saturday night live on TNT and streaming on Max as Toni Storm getting the upper hand.
And she has Kris Statlander isolated there. I'm looking forward to Dax and Chris Jericho. Sunset flip. Those two had a great exchange. Hold on, boys. Boys. Oh, jeez.
No.
Ow. You kidding me?
Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. This Saturday's on Max and TBS. Don't go anywhere.
So unforgettable.
With an advantage over Kris Statlander and Willow Nightingale. Well, commentator's curse coming into effect.
Absolutely. Statlander. Willow. And these two were teammates. They were like sisters.
There are two people who traveled together, and they came up the road. They came up through the same system. And Statlander, she been trying to make amends, but
Her life basically fell apart, guys.
yeah, when Kris Statlander lost that TBS championship, in her own words, Danny Magic.
Well, those titles will certainly do something to you. The madness of being a champion. Speaking of being a champion, of course, later here tonight, looming large. Oh, I'm being told following this great bout, the return. Oh, goodness. The former AEW World Champion Kenny Omega in the house. We do have confirmation he has arrived here tonight. We know coming up next. That is, I can tell you with great certainty that is following this great bout.
Well, right now, referee Aubrey Edwards checking on all three competitors. This battle to determine who will earn that #1 spot in the Casino Gauntlet match next Wednesday night. Dynamite Maximum Carnage live on TBS and streaming on Max. Kris Statlander. Drop kick unloading on Toni Storm.
Stat looking good here.
How about that?
Uh-oh. Willow looking to finish now.
Toni Storm kicks the legs, breaks free of fireman's carry.
Dropping that base down.
And Willow reverses it. Inadvertent hip attack in the corner. Now Willow. Perhaps with the opportunity she was denied.
Look out.
This past Sunday in the International Women's Cup.
It's the cannonball in the corner with Toni Storm. Oh,
Down there, Valley, drop
Hell yeah.
How about that?
I don't think it's over time going for Toni.
Number one spot means
So.
the number one spot could turn into a shot in Australia AEW's debut. Maybe look over the page with the powerbomb here.
Now Toni Storm breaks free, jawbreaker. Willow staggered. Kris Statlander in from behind.
Got her up now.
Statlander.
Power of Statlander.
Up German suplex. One of the trademarks of Toni Storm. Oh, the high boot. One of the trademarks of Willow. Rolling lariat, though. Willow, as soon as she turned the corner, had the lariat coming in hot, and now Statlander looking for an O'Connor roll.
This match starting to break down here. Someone's got to make a mistake.
As Willow with the waist lock on Statlander. Statlander with the waist lock on Willow connects a double German suplex.
This feels like Willow's match right now. It's hers to lose. Maximizing her moves. Hitting a number of moves on both opponents.
Willow. Now, oh, wait a second.
There's the counter.
Right over the reverse. Statlander pushes the pile, breaks up the pinning predicament.
This match is so hard to win, so hard to isolate your opponents. Gut wrench, hit with the powerbomb blocked.
No, reversal again. As both women jockeying for position.
Oh, Willow to the outside.
Willow cracks on the floor. Statlander.